What's going on, guys? Today I wanted to talk about in this video two of the very important things: lack and also abundance. See, most of the time people automatically start to think about lack, limiting belief. They start to also think about things they don't have, and they keep focusing on the same thing day in and day out, right? Which actually leads to them getting the same results which they actually got 5 or 10 years back, right? They're still having the same thought. And rather than they're just changing and shifting their mindset to abundance, they just keep dwelling on the same thought, right? Lack. Like, I don't have that car now. I don't have that house now. I don't have that dream job. I'm not making that much money. What I'm supposed to make, right? And they keep just thinking about lack, limiting belief, and like they keep dwelling on this like time and time again. But how you can actually shift this actual mindset to abundance, right? This actual phone that I'm recording this video, I can be really grateful for this actual phone, like someone created, right? This is actually making me feel more abundant. Whatever air that we're actually breathing now, right? Oxygen. We should be feeling more abundant about that, right? Instead of just thinking, oh, when I'm gonna get the next breath of air, right? We're not thinking about that. It's just continuously flowing, like every day, every single day. Every single day, we just experiencing being present, aware, and being mindful of our thought every single day, right? Being mindful. What are you thinking every single minute, every single hour? What have you been thinking, right? On my cell phone, I actually put an alarm every 1 hour, right? And the alarm goes off, and I just pause for a second. I just breathe. So when you're actually breathing in, you should breathe in like fully. And when you're actually breathing out, you should be thinking like you're breathing out of a straw. Okay, that's how you should be feeling like. Because what this actual exercise actually does is making you grounded. Whatever thought you have in your mind, you're actually blowing out, like thinking this is a straw. You're actually blowing out of that. And that will actually make you aware, right? So it's a AYA method, AYA. So become aware of your thought. And then what is your intention? What is your intention, right? And then after that, take action to change that, right? Because the emotions that we have day to day, minute by minute, second by second, that actual thought can just go like that, right? Just a couple of minutes, few seconds, right? It just comes and goes on a daily basis. So if you can become aware of their thoughts, you can actually change that thought as well. So if you on ongoing basis you're thinking about lack, limiting belief, once you catch that, then you can actually shift that same thought to become more aware of that first. And then on top of that, you can become more present. And then when you actually become more present, when you actually become the state of abundance, that's when things will start to shift for you, right? And once we become aware of all the abundance that's actually around us, like the car I'm driving, the house I'm living in, the clothes I'm actually wearing, right? This is someone else's idea, but I should be feeling abundance because I actually get to wear all these things, right? Drive the things, like whatever things you already have in your life. Take a moment every single day to actually write down the things that you have in your life right now, not the things that you actually want today, tomorrow, or in the future. Pause for a second and then write the things that's actually you have in your possession right now, okay? Because once you do this exercise every day, your brain will actually pick on the thoughts that's actually feeling gratitude towards, the law of attraction will bring that same thought, same vibration towards you every single day, right? The more you practice this, the more you actually going to be attracting all those things that you're actually thinking about. Like, you become what you think about every single moment, every single minute. You're becoming it, right? So something I was actually listening to, so just wanted to share this with you, that your state of mind, your thinking, if you can change your thinking, if you can shift your thinking from negative to positive, a lot of good things will start coming towards you. Okay. So again, thank you so much. My name is Sanjeev, and you keep living a more abundant and more fulfilled life. Thank you again, and bye for now.